Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today we're going to be talking about Finviz.com. This is one of the sites I've used over the years. It's more of a screen, like a stock screener. But if you don't know about it, I just want to kind of show you guys a couple things of it where it's kind of cool. And it's free. They do have upgraded versions you could purchase. I'm not trying to sell anything. There's no links, nothing. Just go in and sign up if you want. So I really don't care on that side. But what you have over here is the stock, like a heat map, right? It tells you if the major stocks are up or down, Microsoft, Apple, things like that. You have the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500. And then over here you have kind of like the volume, top gainers, high, low, unusual volume, right? So if you're looking for certain stocks, so like top losers, right? You could click on this, hover your mouse over it, and you could see it pulls up a chart, right? And they default to daily charts, which is kind of cool because you could say, hey, look, I like this stock. Let's look a little more into it. Hey, maybe this $6 level is maybe a nice resistance level, right? Because you had a high here, that was the breakout. Well, as it comes back down, maybe you see buyers step in $5.50, $6, somewhere around there, things like that. So it gives you really good opportunities to try and find some stocks. You could look for like most volatile stock, right? And you could see things that are moving up and down. Look at this stock right here, right? Went all the way up to 950, double top up here, and then gave everything back up in one day. Well, hey, maybe this might be something good for a momentum because we came pretty much right down to this low. Maybe there will be a bounce the following day. So things like that are kind of cool. You also have signals, right? So trend support. These are stocks where they're saying at a trend line, something like that. So as you could hover, you could just do really quick scans of look for stocks really quick. Look at SSG, right? Nice rising wedge potential or falling wedge, right? Gets tighter and tighter. This is usually a bullish trade. Maybe the buyers step in and start to take this thing up. So just a couple things there. Major news, things like this, Head and Shoulders. You also have on the main page like insider buying or selling, right? So IMMR, you have, if you pull it up, you've seen selling the last couple days. Well, you could see that they've been selling. Okay, transactions have been selling. And so the big kind of executives or the insiders have been selling their stock on this. So something interesting. You could see how many shares, things like that. And then as we come over here to screener, you could create your own screener. Now I have a bunch of different screeners like the airlines, right? So right here, I can look at pretty much all the airlines with a snapshot. If I want to look at technicals of them, I could see something like this, high, lows. If I want to see charts. Now, one thing is you do get pop-up ads with the free version, so just something to be aware of. But TA, technical analysis, right? So you could kind of look, gives you more where SMAs are, things like that. And then if you want to see intraday charts, time frame, that's where you got to pay for it, right? For certain things, but like weeklies or monthlies, you could see those, right? So these are great for the weekend, kind of doing some homework. Let's take a look at railroads, right? I have CSX. Hey, I kind of like this, breaking out higher highs, higher lows, so on. Maybe this, maybe I'll pull back. I want to buy this, something like that. Those are kind of things. And so you could create your own over here. Just type in any exchange, market cap. Hey, maybe you want to see just small market caps, right? You want to see ones with a yield of over 2%. Okay. Let's say average volume you want at least, we'll say over 1 million shares a day, right? And so you could kind of scrunch it down smaller and smaller and be able to do it. And then once you have that, just go back to the charts, and here's all the charts for all these stocks, right? They offer a yield, all those different things. And then if you like it, you could kind of save and create your own save scan right here and name it whatever you want. So, really cool. If you kind of go in, you see the heat map more closely, right? You could see kind of what's in there. If you want to change it, let's see, it'll probably make you upgrade, but to see bigger things like that, portfolios, insiders, right? You could see if you want to create your own portfolio, something like that. Backtest, again, you need to pay for things, futures, cryptos, things like that. You could see them all here. And then they also do, you could sector them up in groups like financials they've been running, and look at these financials. Hey, look at these kind of running up and all that. So that is kind of a basic thing on Finviz. I hope that kind of helps you guys, right? A couple more things. Where was it? For news, right? So you have news right here, and you also have blogs, right? So if you want to look at, hey, what's news on going on in the overall market, different blogs, you could find different types of blogs, right? Different things here, like something Saudi-backed Lucid Motors near SPAC deal, right? Open that up, it takes you a zero hedge. So it's also a good way to maybe find new sources to find things. Alpha, right? Why Iron Mountain looks like a value trap, right? Seeking alpha. And then maybe you save this and kind of use that. But it just gives you a lot of different things to look at. So I hope this helps you guys. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. And make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.